So YouTube sent me this message around 4:55 a.m. today. They said, "Hi Ellen, we reviewed your content and found severe or repeated violations of our spam, deceptive practices and scam policy. Because of this, we have removed your channel from YouTube." I don't even know how to start going further reading all of this, because I don't know how to feel. It feels so devastating. It feels really, really sad. Imagine starting up a YouTube channel with the hope of getting the channel monetized. By the way, guys, there's a backstory to all of this. I'm gonna explain everything to you guys, and it might be funny how it happened today around 4:55, and this same today I'm already carrying my camera to make a video about it. That's because I envisaged it already before now. Like, I knew because I've been getting series of warnings. YouTube have been deleting my videos. Like, if I post a video, YouTube will delete it. And if you are in this particular niche, that's why I actually come out here to actually show you guys. First, okay, let me show you. So for those people that are saying, I know that you guys will be asking that, have you appealed? Have you tried to talk to them? Let me show you guys when I appealed and their response to what they said. YouTube said, "Hi Ellen, we have reviewed your appeal for the following. Channel Ellen, we have reviewed your channel carefully and confirmed that it violates our spam, deceptive practices and scam policy. We know that this is probably disappointing news, but it's our job to make sure that YouTube is a safe place for all. How this affects your channel? We won't be putting your channel back up on YouTube." Learn more about, so that's all of that about this. Okay, now, I told you guys I envisaged this. Like, I knew a day like this was actually going to come because of the particular niche of this particular channel. So let me just say this. So I started a channel because, okay, someone told me when I started my YouTube channel, they were like, okay, when you have a YouTube channel, do not just have channel for yourself, like have other channels, because in case you're like, YouTube is not a place that, you know, the way YouTube have been doing lately, they can just come and delete your channel. They're like, the way YouTube have been doing lately, have a backup channel with someone, you understand? Like, how should I don't want to see anything wrong in this video, so that nothing is going to happen to this particular channel. I'm just trying my best to be very careful. At the same time, I want to tell you guys what actually happened. At the same time, I don't want to make this video more complicated than it is. Okay, so I created another channel, but using, like, it's for somebody, but like how should I put it? Oh, I'm trying not to say two things. Okay, let me just say it this way. So I created another channel, but not with my details, not with my information. Yes, I think that's the right word. Just in case, you know, like they always say, if something happens to one, then you can always have a plan B. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. So what I do on that channel, I do money niche, in the money niche, you understand? So how to make money online. So it's a money niche, and you know that YouTube, anything that deals with money, YouTube, they are always very, very careful whenever anything deals with money, that they know that people are going to invest. YouTube does not like when people are actually going to invest their money into something. So anything that deals with money, it is forbidden for YouTube. So although there are some people that have been doing it successfully, this is just a successfully. There's some people that have been doing it successfully, but the day YouTube open your book, the day YouTube will have your matter and they want to open, you will not know, you will not be prepared. But for me, I already envisaged this. I already know that a day like this might come, but I just wanted to take the risk because I was like, there are some people that are still doing it and they are good. So I wanted to take the risk. So I don't know, maybe it's the titling, because sometimes I say get free USDT, maybe because it's crypto, I don't know, because sometimes I add crypto, sometimes I don't really know in particular. Maybe it's my titling, maybe it's the link to the site, or maybe it is the description. I really don't know what brought about that, because one thing about YouTube, when YouTube wants to give you warning or give you strike, they just make it so vague. Like, you guys can see what they said: deceptive practices, scam. They won't say the exact thing, and they will not tell you the exact video. Sometimes they remove videos, like, and they have been removing my videos. Okay, I said, okay, this video they have been removed, okay, fine. But they won't tell you that, okay, we removed it because of this title, or because of what you said, or because of this link. They'll just add it as a vague word. So it's you by yourself that you now go and think and sit down that this video that I made, what is deceptive about it? What is scam about it? Like, you just have to figure it out all by yourself. So that's one thing about YouTube. So right now, I really don't know what I did wrong, but I don't think I'm actually going to be going back there for now, because I don't know what I've done wrong. I think I need to figure it out. I just need to figure it out first, because going back without figuring it out is like making the same mistake twice, because it can happen again. So the only way to which I can go back to this is when I figure it out, and I'm going to take my time from now. I don't know for how long, but I'm going to take my time from now to learn, to figure out what's actually happening or what really went wrong. I'll just take my time to figure everything out. So maybe once I figured it out, then I can actually go back. But this is me just putting it out there. I just said, let me just quickly come and tell you guys. And that niche actually gets views faster. Like, if you want to get views, you know, people, when they scroll up their phone, almost everybody online are looking for money. Almost everybody, and not everybody, because some people, they already have too much money. They don't even need to search for how to make money online. Almost everybody, like this make money online niche, they cover a lot of people. You know, like now, people that do YouTube tutorial, how to grow their YouTube channel, it does not cover everybody. Someone that is not interested in starting up a YouTube channel is not going to watch. But you see that money, someone that is doing YouTube growth, someone that is doing filmmaking, someone that is cooking, like different niches. Everybody wants to make money, because money is very important in life. So everybody wants to make that money, so they have more audience. You understand? If you are doing that money niche, they have more audience. So I know you guys are thinking, okay, I want to do this. I'm not discouraging you. It's actually a very good thing, but just be very careful, because me myself, I cannot tell you that this is the reason, this is exactly the reason, this is it. But I just know that this is their reason, and that's what I've read to you guys. So just be very careful. Make sure you do your findings very, very well, especially if you really want this to be long term. Maybe you want to grow your YouTube channel to a long term. You don't want something that, oh, you'll be monetized today and then the next thing you're demonetized and the channel is at worst. If it's even demonetization, is it not okay? At least you can still apply again. But removal, channel removal, and we don't even know. I don't know. Someone said, okay, if I wait for like 3 months and I try and appeal again, that they might bring it back, but that's still a 50-50 chance. I don't know. Maybe when that time comes and I try to appeal again, if they bring it back up, I'm going to come back here to inform you guys. But for now, the channel is gone, and I do not even want anybody to know that channel is mine, because, you know, like they said, someone said I should not put all my eggs in one basket. So I made it a faceless channel. The channel was actually faceless. I just use voiceover. I actually use my voice. It is this same my voice. So I use my voice. I use images generated online, like non-copyrighted images, and then I show the website to which they can actually use to make money, and voila. So I don't know what I've done wrong. In case you have an idea of what you think could actually really be the issue, like what really made them say scam, deceptive practices, why? Like, I don't know, Shabo. All of this happened today, and in fact, I was not planning to film any video today, because I have 6 channels, 6 YouTube channels already, and that channels, and you know, we have 7 days in a week. So putting video every day, it is really making my head to be hot. And I also have a family, I have my life, I'm doing my master's degree. In fact, not just 1 master's, I'm doing 2 masters. Yeah, I'm almost done with the first one. I'm doing another one again. So all of that in one head, I have my own life. You understand now? Like, it's so choky. So I said, okay, I think I'll just be posting on this channel once a week, and I dedicated Monday. I just started this week. If you notice, before now I post every now and then, but then I dedicated Monday. I said Monday. I dedicated Tuesday. I said every Tuesday I'm going to be posting on my channel. Every Tuesday on this particular channel. I splitted out all my channels into 6 days. So the 7th day I took that one for my own personal rest, time to rest. So if I post today, post one on each of the channel, just to make everything, I'm sorry this video is getting too long, just to make everything you understand, easier for me, and I'll not burn out or break out. But I just had to, like, today is not even my day to record for this channel. Today is another day for my folktales channel, because I have a folktale channel. Today is the day for my folktale channel, but this just happened this week, so that's why I just had to, like, come out here to just tell you guys that this what happened. I really don't know. I think I just came out here to just warn you guys, not warn Sha, to just give you a heads up in case you're into that niche, to be very extra careful. So what happened to me is not going to happen to you. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please do well to hit on the subscribe button, and don't forget guys, this time around, before I used to say if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment section, but reverse is the case this time around, because I don't understand what I did wrong. I don't know what I did. I'm in the money making it, but in case you have an idea of what actually happened, because I'm trying to figure it all out, in case you have an idea, I am the one asking you guys for help now. Please tell me in the comment section what you think actually happened, or how you think I can go about it, or what you think. Like, I don't even know, I don't even know the right words to even say, but just let me know in the comment section. I am asking for help. Please help me guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.